Hey, what's up, everybody? This is frugal underscore as underscore Sean on Instagram and Sean Wilson to y'all on Facebook. Many people have been asking for the longest how to hook up the Lancer steering wheel and to also get it working with the radio, Android radio to be exact. First thing you're gonna need a 2007 to a 2012 Lancer or an Outlander steering wheel. You're gonna need the airbag. You're gonna need the clock spring. And when you get a clock spring, do not buy a brand new clock spring. Buy a used one or go to a junkyard and get one, because you need the wiring harness to it. It comes with 6 wires attached to it. It will not work without it. But once you get one, everything will work just fine. Put on a video. I can't play Bluetooth music because in the car. But just to show you, my mode button is my plate, start and pause. Volume up, down, up and down works. Skip to the next movie. Sorry I can't show you with music, but you get the point. And also commute it. Answer phone calls, hang up phone calls. Cruise control doesn't work, but who needs it? But those are the items you need. You need the radio. Make sure you have enough wire. Make sure you have enough wire on the wire harness. And you're gonna have to trim around the cover piece. Mine is out right now. Alright, I've been keeping this around for the longest to show people what it is. This is the wire harness that goes to the clock spring. Obviously, I did all the work, so I bought a used clock spring this one came with, went to the junkyard, pulled another one, and I chased every single wire from the clock spring to where it went so I knew what it hooked up into in the car. The local junkyard had an Outlander. I chased every single wire. It took about 2 hours because you was cutting open harnesses, chasing, cutting open more harnesses, chasing. It was a long chase to find out which wire went to what. And here we go. Clock spring wire. The green and white line. This wire right here, that goes to your lights. Your blue one goes to the radio. That's what's going to control the steering wheel to your Android radio. The solid green wire, that's your horn. And those 3 wires out the way. Black wire, of course, is ground, but it took a minute to figure that one out. And these 2 wires, I believe, would be cruise control. It's no actual knowledge if it is or not, because I'm not running cruise control. Everything else works perfect. You know, it lights up. So last lines are red and orange, or red and yellow, and green with red line on it. I'm gonna assume this is cruise control set and stuff. If you think I went a little too fast for you, or you would like a little bit more help, feel free to message me on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. I will reply to you. This is also what I came up with. so it's known. Take a copy. The reason I did this was because everybody wanted to charge you for this info, sell you the steering wheel and everything. Honestly, 3000 GT market is expensive, but there's no reason that we can't help each other like the other car groups do. Everything doesn't have to be for a premium price. I reached out to a guy, he said 500 steering wheel, I can't sell your airbag and I can't tell you how to hook it up. All he said was, I'll sell you how to hook it up after I sell you the steering wheel. Yeah, my wife told me, you'll figure it out, baby, you can do it. So that's exactly what I did. I hope this helps some of y'all. I hope if I have questions about anything, y'all can answer them. And if it's anything I can answer for y'all, I will.